hello. I mean, hello. On the, you know, the things that are going on here. You know, I'm talking sort of like to when they're talking to people who have been in part of a victim or you know what you're talking about. Those guys like they black them out. You know, we're gonna name this guy whatever he's gonna be, whatever his name's gonna be, as a someone who sees the. I can't remember now. Anyways, I thought I'd do this is a little perspective with my little iPad thingy. I thought I'd do a little video, just saying hi from my other point of view from the world. Normally I have from my computer, or, well, I'm not going to be using from the laptop, but then I also do sometimes from my room, and then sometimes I do it from my, from the TV room, and now I'm going to do it outside. We got a bright view of the back of my house. This tree in the next few weeks is either going to be taken down, or it may grow, some flowers. Usually in the summertime it grows to being green, a little bit green, but you know, it's only just the early spring, so anyways, we just got some birds flying. I'm actually just out here like I normally am in the summer. Actually, it's not summer, it's a little chilly, a little cold. There goes a bird. Ooh. I'm just gonna be watching birds and hanging out and doing whatever I do. So I thought I'd upload this to YouTube shortly, and I will chat with you later. Bye. Sorry, I'm sorry you can't see me, but it's the way I'm positioned. Maybe if I went around this way, would it be better? No? Okay. Well, they can't see me anyway, so it's a little bit better. Okay, alright. I'll see you. Yeah, not victim. What do you call the people who are they speak to people who have been victimized or whatever, and they're like, you know, talking all black, they're all blacked out here. Alright, I will see you later, bye.